This is my second anti-snoring device review. Now, this one, it differs slightly from the previous one. As you can see, it's smaller. I tried this last night. I would say not so good. As you see, it says air purifier, which isn't a liar, because it's actually got 2 layers of filters inside this thing. Nose breathing apparatus. If you look at the top, purifies air and makes breathing easier. I beg to differ. It's actually harder to breathe through your nose with this one, because the filters block a lot of the air coming through. Eliminates snoring. Actually, no, it doesn't. Doesn't make any difference at all to the snoring. Manages your sleep apnea. I don't think it does. It actually makes it worse, to be honest with you. So it's telling a few lies. It's also telling a few truths. Yeah, it's an air purifier. If you just want to breathe through your nose and keep your gob shut, it's a good thing. But as for stopping you from snoring, no, not at all. It doesn't work. So again, yet another one that is out there on the market that doesn't work. This one, as you see, is just a standard manual one. It's not an electronic one. There's no switches, fans or anything else on this one. There's just a couple of filters in, silicone nozzles here and here, which go up your nostrils. You can see inside there's a little plastic grid. Behind that there's 2 layers of filters, and that is it. That's all it comprises of. So yeah, not a very good anti-snoring device. So again guys, don't waste your money on this one. This is number 2, which is money wasted. Hope this review helps. As I say, I will only speak the honest truth about these things. And let's just say, yeah, the only place that's good for it is the bin. Have a good day guys.